Did you know there is a state in India that has highest population in home to the Taj Mahal and has shaped the history and politics of the entire nation? Yes, we are talking about Uttar Pradesh. Intro. Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's we are going to explore one of the most important and populous state of India, Uttar Pradesh, known as heartland of India. Uttar Pradesh is rich in history, cultural, religion, and political significance. From ancient cities to iconic monuments, and from spiritual tradition to modern developments, Uttar Pradesh offers a unique blend of the old and new. So, in the next some minutes, let's take a complete journey through Uttar Pradesh history. Uttar Pradesh has a deep and fascinating history that dates back to thousands of years. It is believed to be the land of ancient kingdom mentioned in epics like the Ramayana and Mahabharata. Cities like Ayodhya are associated with Lord Rama, while Mathura is known as the birthplace of Lord Krishna. During ancient time, the region was part of powerful kingdoms such as Kosala and Magad. In medieval history, Uttar Pradesh became an important center under the Delhi Sultanate and later the Mughal Empire. The Mughal built magnificent structures like the Taj Mahal and Fatehpur Sikri. In modern history, Uttar Pradesh played a key role in India freedom struggle. Many prominent leaders, including Jawaharlal Nehru, India's first Prime Minister, were from the state. Geography: Uttar Pradesh is located in northern India and shares border with several states including Uttarakhand, Bihar, Bihar, Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, and Haryana, as well as the country Nepal. The state is mainly composed of fertile plains formed by rivers like the Ganga, Yamuna, and Ghagra. These rivers make the land highly suitable for agriculture. The climate is mostly subtropical with hot summer, a monsoon season, and cool winters. People: Uttar Pradesh is the most populous state in India with over 200 million people. The people of Uttar Pradesh are diverse in culture, tradition, and lifestyle. They are known for their hospitality, strong family value, and cultural richness. The state has contributed greatly in fields like politics, education, art, and literature. Language: Hindi is the official language of Uttar Pradesh. However, several religion, language, and dialect are widely spoken, including Awadhi, Bhojpuri, and Braj. Urdu is also an important language in the state, especially in cultural and literacy context. This linguistic diversity reflected the rich heritage of the region. Food: The cuisine of Uttar Pradesh is rich, flavorful, and diverse. Famous dishes include Awadhi biryani, ke- kebabs, and korma, especially from Lucknow. Street food like chaat, pani puri, and samosa is very popular across the state. Sweet: such as jalebi, peda, and rabdi are also widely loved. The food reflected a blend of Mughal and traditional Indian influences. Cultural Uttar Pradesh has a vibrant and diverse culture. Festivals like Diwali, Holi, Eid, and Navratri are celebrated with great enthusiasm. Classical dances from like Kathak originated here. The state is also known for its traditional music, craft, and textile, such as chikanary embroidery from Lucknow. The culture of Uttar Pradesh reflected unity in diversity and deep-rooted tradition. Tourism. Uttar Pradesh is one of the most popular tourism destinations in India. The Taj Mahal is in Agra is one of the seven wonderful of the world and attracted millions of visitors every year. Varanasi, one of the more oldest living cities in the world, is a major spiritual center. Other important palaces include Ayodhya, Mathura, Vrindavan, and Lucknow. Tourism in Uttar Pradesh includes historical, religions, and culture attraction facts. Here are some interesting facts about Uttar Pradesh. It is the most populous state in India. The Taj Mahal is located in this state. Varanasi is considered one of the oldest continuously inhabited cities in the world. Uttar Pradesh has given India the highest number of prime minister. Agriculture is a major part of the state economy. Importance. Uttar Pradesh holds uh, immense importance in India's history, culture, and politics. It is often called the political heart of India because of the large representation in parliament. The state is also a major center for agriculture, culture, and religion. Its cities and tradition continue to influence the identity of India as a whole. Conclusion. So this was a complete overview of Uttar Pradesh, its rich history, diverse culture, and significant role in India. Uttar Pradesh is not just a state, it a reflected of India's heritage and diversity. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching and see you next in the video.